Hi guys, and this is Aditya, and today we are going to solve the problem, the coin change problem. In this problem, we have to find the number of ways in which we can make a value from a given array of coins, isn't it? For example, that we have a value 4 and we have given coins 1 to 3, then we can do this in 4 possible ways. The 4 possible ways are like this. So, how we can solve this problem? This problem can be solved by using dynamic programming. A typical dynamic programming code is written over here. So first of all, we have declared two variable int I and j uh, for the for loop, and then we have declared a two-dimensional DP array with value and with the number of coins. So what this line in this line what we have done is that we have declared a array like this. So this represents the amount and this represents the coin. Now in the next two lines, that is the for loop, we are filling one right over here like this, 1 1 1 and 1. So why we are doing this? So we are doing this because this is a possible solution, right? So when we have amount 0, isn't it, and even then we have any coin left, or we can make any coins, even then we have a solution. So that's why we are representing here at 1, right? So if we can take it another way, like we have amount 1 and then we don't have any coin, isn't it? We don't have any coin, that is the coin is 0. So this is not a possible solution, so we are writing here 0. So this is the meaning of the first line. So essentially they are the solution and which are the not solutions. So these are the solution when we have amount 0, and these are the not solutions. So now in the next very lines, what we are doing is that we are iterating through the two-dimensional array from 1 comma 1. So we are having I1 and J1 and up till n and up till value. So we are iterating it. Now if you can look here, that we have two possible cases. First one is to include the coin, and the second one is to exclude the coin. We can take it, for example, we have to fill this row. So what we are trying to do is that we have to make amount 1 and we have one coin with us. So it means that we can take this amount, this coin, from the array, isn't it? So first way is to take the amount, that is include the coin, isn't it? So when we include the coin, that is going to 1 minus 1, that is going to give me the 0 answer. Now the amount is 0. Now we look for the amount 0 solution with 1 with respect to 1, that is 1. Then we write it 1 just like that, isn't it? And when we go up, we see that if we exclude the coin, there is no possible solution. So that's 0. That is means 1 plus 0 gives you 0. So we are doing this include condition, isn't it? First of all, we check that whether the given amount is smaller. What we are checking is that whether 1 is whether 1 is greater than equal to 1 or not, isn't it? Whether 1 is greater than equal to 1 or not, and then we are including the coin. So this will get more clear when we get in the second row. If you can just do this manually, you will get 1 1 everywhere, isn't it? Because there is only one possible way. Suppose we have to make this coin, suppose we have to make amount 1 with respect to 2. So what we are going to do is that, so first of all we are going to check it. So how we are going to check it is like this: if 1 is greater than or equal to 2. So basically this is false, isn't it? This is false. This means that we can't include 1, because if we include 1 in if we include 2 coin, that is going to give me -1, which is not the answer. So we are going to exclude this coin, isn't it? So what we are doing is that we are checking the condition, then this is false, then we are excluding the coin, and we are moving one row up. This means that when we exclude the coin, we move one row up and we fill its value. So there is one possible way of making amount 1 even we have two coin with us, like 1 and 2. There is only one possible way. So we can do this thing with 2 comma 2 in let me change the color. So when we have 2 comma 2, so now we have to make first of all we are going to check for this condition, and that is 2 is greater than equal to 2, and this is true, isn't it? Now if you can see, there are two we are adding two values. This value is the excluding values when we exclude the coin, and this value is when we include the coin. So first of all, when we include the coin, this is going to give me 2 minus 2, which is equals to 0. Then we land to the 0, and when we look for the solution, what is the solution? Then this is 1. So now the value of this answer is 1, right? And then we are going to exclude the coin. So essentially this means that we have to move a row up, that this very value we are moving a row up right here, and then we look for the answer, and that is 1. So that's going to give me 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So this is going to give me 1, and this is going to give me 1. So this is 2. So in this way we can fill this whole two-dimensional array, and whatever the answer we get right here is our answer.